In this video, we will be learning how to enter the cause and correction information on a job line. In the write-up window will be the RO you are working on. Click the Jobs button on the top of the main window. This brings up the Jobs window. Click on the job you want to write in the cause and correction. We will use Job 2. Then click Edit. Click in the Cause box. Write in the cause. Then click on the Correction box and write in the correction. When you're finished, click OK. Congratulations! You have successfully learned how to enter the cause and correction information on a job line.